With Interphone Edge, listening to the radio is very simple. Let's see these steps. Press the down button until you select the FM radio menu. Press the center button to enter the FM radio menu. Press the up or down button to select your favorite radio station. Did you find the station that you like? Store it in the memory by pressing the center button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. Now press the up or down buttons to choose the memory position from number 1 to number 8. Finally, confirm the position pressing the central button again. To listen to the memorized stations, press the up and down button until you hear a beep. With Interphone Edge, you can play and share music. Let's see how. Start by connecting Interphone Edge to your device. Press the down button until you select the music menu. Press the central button to enter in the music menu. Press the central button until the acoustic sound to play the music track. If you want to choose the track you like, press the up and down buttons. New Interphone models have a song sharing function, which lets you share your favorite music with another Interphone. To start sharing music with this Interphone, press the up button for 3 seconds. To stop sharing music with this Interphone, press the up button again for 3 seconds.